Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already met me via the Muggle platform, Instagram, I'm just your average DIY wizard with a love for all things Harry Potter, pop culture, anime, and all nerdy stuff. If you enjoy those types of things, please hit the subscribe button to join our online family. In a previous video, I showed you guys how to create a Deathly Hallows floral wreath. So we're gonna just take that a step further today and show you how I created this minimalistic Deathly Hallows macrame. This is my first time dabbling in macrame magic. It was a lot of fun, a lot of work. It's a little tedious, but the result is absolutely beautiful. So let's get into the video. For this DIY, I will be using this 3mm macrame cord that I purchased from Amazon, a nice sharp pair of scissors, 3 wooden dowels about 12 inches in length, this vine garland that you always see in my DIY videos, natural jute string, and floral wire. Just like in my previous video, the idea is to start off by creating a triangular shape. You will need to use your floral wire to twist tie each point by overlapping the dowels. Falling, drowning, I'm losing the best of you. I'm drowning. I'm falling. Now for some extra security and a cleaner look, cover that wire entirely by wrapping it with your jute string until no green is visible. Your heart, stone cold. There's nothing saving you apart. We'll go, but you know I think of you swimming through an ocean. Once you have your triangle shape, we can begin cutting our cord. You will need 3 35-inch pieces of cord and a grand total of 98-inch pieces of cord, 30 for each of the 3 feathers you are creating. You can do more or less, it's totally up to you. Falling, drowning, I'm losing the best of you. All your macrame cord ready, take your triangle and one of the long pieces of cord and fold it in half equally. Take the looped end and tuck it behind the bottom of your triangle like so. Then take the ends of that cord and pull it through the loop so you have this pretzel-like shape. Next, pull it tight and slide it to the middle. This is called a lark's head knot. With a batch of your 8-inch cords, take one and fold it in half. Then place it on top of your long strings with the looped end pointing toward the right. We can drive away. Oh, yeah. Then take the ends of your short string, tuck it under your long string, and pull it through the looped end. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh, yeah. Now pull it tight and scoot it all the way up.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait.
Next, you're going to do the same thing, but in the opposite direction. Fold your short string in half, place it on top of your long string with the looped end pointed left. Tuck the ends under and pull it through the loop.
Loud in the speakers, you and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah.
Continue with this same pattern, alternating with each string until you run out, and repeat this process 2 more times.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night. Oh, don't wanna wait all my life. We can drive through the night.
When you're finished, you'll have these 3 fishbone looking shapes. You will need a pet brush with extra fine bristles so that you can brush them out to create our feather look. But first, I'm just going to trim down these extra long strings.
Sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
Macrame cord is essentially a bunch of thread that is rope braided together, so the brush will help separate them. Make sure you do this on a surface you aren't too worried about scratching. I just used my ironing board.
So little by little, what about common sense? And now we're stuck in the middle, so we climb the fence. It's like the whole turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you
When the brushing is done, I took my scissors and trimmed them down to really create that feather shape. This part is a lot easier if you have a sharp pair of scissors. Mine were very dull after so much usage, so it took me a bit longer to do this step.
wishing all alone we were diving far too deep, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers hoped that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
You set the fire and tone to your promised land. You've got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the whole world turned its back on us, and now you can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers.
Ta-da! We have some Leviosa-worthy feathers suitable for Charms class. Professor Flitwick would be proud.
That we had to put to sleep. All the lovers hope that we could.
Using the vine garland, I am just going to loop it around twice and twist the ends to secure it to create my circle shape. Now take your leafy circle and place it directly in the middle of your triangle. You can take 2 pieces of floral wire and secure it to the wooden dowels.
I got you buried deep
In the back of my head,
'cause you got all the answers.
on the tip of my tongue.
You got a whole religion.
Last but not least, take your macrame cord and cut a piece for your elder wand. Then simply hot glue it on. Wingardium Leviosa! You are all done. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified for new videos every week and share this with someone you want to inspire. Love you so much. Bye!